And inverted meniscus lenses are basically replicating the natural characteristics of the human eye, not in the accommodation sense, like in the previous presentations, but in the performance in the whole visual field. That is something very, very relevant. When we are choosing very thin intraocular lenses for very clear surgical reasons, everything is going well on axis, but unfortunately, it's not going very well off axis. The image quality provided by standard thin intraocular lenses, all of them, is really very bad. And when we have compromised peripheral optical quality, means we have compromised peripheral vision. As you know, this is really very significant, having increase in falls, poor recognition, poor driving. In reality, all cataract patients have compromised quality of life in many sense. And I think this is a very significant issue that somebody have to solve, and we did it. And the way we did it is just changing the shape of the lens from the biconvex to the inverted meniscus. Doing that, we of course keep good quality on axis, but we recover the quality at different peripheral angles. This quality, by the way, is very similar at what we have with our natural crystalline lens. Well, this is already a few years history working on this. And first we did testing in optical bench, and this is what you can see when you compare standard intraocular lens in your right and our ART-IOLs, the meniscus in your left, at 40 degrees. You see there is a clear difference. We had been running, so far we have around 5,000 patients implanted with the lenses, so we know what is going on. And we measure what's happened in the periphery. And in the periphery, we have a better defocus. We have a better residual astigmatism when we compare with standard intraocular lenses. This better optics is providing a better contrast detection. So we can claim that we have better vision. The question is, okay, what's happened in functional vision? This is really affecting the patients. It's actually affecting the patients because, well, this is the simple idea, right? If you are just going in this stair here, the stair is around 40 degrees, and this is a very simple simulation of what can happen, right? So we perform many different studies, including driving simulation. And in these studies with real patients, we found a very clear and significant improvement in different driving parameters with our lenses. Not only functional, like a kind of a bonus, and I have to be completely honest with you that initially we were not thinking on that. But as a bonus, basically, inverted meniscus lenses is blocking this photopsia. So this is another advantage. Well, I think this makes a very nice history and very compelling, and I still don't understand why not everybody is running asking for inverted meniscus lenses. I don't really understand that. It's very surprising. But well, this is what it is. So, you know, we need to do commercially. So we also combine the inverted meniscus with another concept that is hyperasphericity. Our lenses, they are I believe, the unique hyperaspheric lenses. So we are really providing a very, very extended depth of focus, and we customize. And we have three models, what we call R25, 40, and 70. And when we combine of course, the 70 is the hyperaspheric, providing a very large depth of focus, always combined with the best peripheral vision. Clinical results are really fantastic. We are doing different options. We are combining 40 and 70. We are combining 70 and 70. And in all these cases, through focus, these are a very significant amount of patients. When you compare the light blue is our patients here. The dark blue is this multifocal lenses that nobody, suppose as previous speaker, nobody is really using, right? But, well, somebody, we have a few patients here like a reference. And as you see, of course, we are better in the intermediate. In terms of pure visual acuity, we are very good, but still not so good as trifocal. But this approach is really fantastic in the sense that we can get basically a spectacle independent. I think I'm out of time, so a new platform based in inverted meniscus that is not only providing you good vision, is providing you a safer life. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you.